Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, we got the screen recording, everything is already up, and we're just going to be running through this week's drops, what is coming up, what you should go for that will potentially be profitable, and that'll be all I need to say. So, we'll get into it, we'll discuss these drops. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. I'll keep it very simple, like goal. Let's try and hit just like, let's say 270 likes on this video. Let's see if we can do that. That's the goal and everything right there. Again, you can check my Instagrams, all that down below, and of course, my cook group, we just got these updated monitors, all this in yesterday. We added a bunch of monitors for sites like Yeezy Supply. All the basic foot sites that you need to be monitoring have add to cart links for, things like that. We now have monitors for. So if you guys want to check that out, that is in our group. Check out the description if you want to join right there. I will leave a link. Gonna leave it there for a few hours. After a few hours, I'm gonna take it down, remove the link, and then I'll drop it in the video tomorrow. But just gonna have a few invites. If you guys want to check that out, go check that link, join the group, get in, and say what's up to the team. We provide free ACO, backdoors. We got a variety of different types of discounts, brick links. We got discount codes for those as well. We got weekly steals. We got shock steals. Those two things. I've been dropping a lot of shoes for under market deals. That's all those boxes in the back. Those are all under market deals and things have been given to members and giveaways, things like that this last week. So a lot of stuff, but enough said, let's just kind of get into it because I'm gonna cut down this conversation some, but check out these pages, follow them, and let's get started. So first one's right here, actually dropping today. I'm not sure if these are dropping at 10 a.m. or what sort of time. You already have the Yeezy Flax slides today, so I'm not paying a lot of attention to these, but overall a new colorway of the Lamelo Ball Pumas, and I think it's a nice colorway with this all black kind of theme depending on stock. I feel like these will do well. Overall, it would be a clean personal. I'd rock these. I mean, this is a nice pair. It is a basketball shoe, but I mean, who cares? I mean, most people are probably rocking these just to wear around. I'm assuming some people are definitely wearing them on the court, though. I mean, there's a variety of colorways now. We got the Rick and Morty ones. We got these. We got the purple ones, the Queen City. We got a lot of different Lamelos. So shout out Puma for definitely, taking advantage of this deal. They got a good deal here, getting Lamelo an up-and-coming player and making some sneakers with him. I feel like these older models may be doing better in the future. I'm not saying it's a hold. I'm just saying, personally what I think. But that's everything I need to mention right there. And, yeah, Lamelo Ball Pumas. There's the first one. Again, I feel like these could do well. The only thing that would hurt these reselling again is, the retail. I mean, the retail isn't that high. 125 after shipping and everything, probably like 140, 145. But nice colorway. I'm a fan of this one. Seems like it's actually dropping today in like 15 minutes. May go for them, may not, but I would only target big sizes. And by the time this video is out, these will probably already have dropped and all that. So understanding that, let's just get into the next one. But Nike Dunk Low Vast Gray right here. These in the bigger sizes dropping this week again, I believe on the 23rd. There we go. So there's actually a little bit of a restock coming on, so stay tuned for this. I believe this is on sneakers. I could be wrong on that, but I will double check for you guys. So the Vast Grays are actually dropping on sneakers, so don't forget that, not the Nike app. We do have a lot of Nike app dunks coming later this week, which I will mention later in this video. Just stay tuned for that. But overall, this one, if you were to be going for it to resell, only target bigger sizes, 11 plus. That's the same thing I was mentioning for the Yeezy Flax slides today. They are nice. They are, having a decent amount of hype. Seems like some people want it for the personal, but they're not doing too well already. So unless you really want to take a risk, unless you have somebody locally willing to buy them for a little bit more, unless you optimize the sale, go post them on like Facebook or something. I personally would, hold off for a little bit on, targeting smaller sizes on this one. I would go for big sizes when these drop, so stay tuned. On sneakers, going to be happening on the 23rd, so stay tuned for that, 10 a.m. Eastern time, so make sure you guys are there for the drop. But next one, of course, the Salih Bembury Crocs right here. I'm sorry if I messed up pronouncing his first name. Of course, I know I got the second one right, but this is an orange colorway. Definitely a sell now if you happen to get it. Here are all the drop locations. We have a restock coming for it on the Crocs website. I remember that we did have some stuff when it did drop on the 18th that had like a restock or something like that because there was an issue with like the queue and people loading to like get through checkouts and things like that. But just stay tuned for this one. Will be some decent profit. I will mention it in the cook group tomorrow for sure, as long as this is confirmed and all that. I gotta make sure. I'll double check. We double checking. Yeah, so there we go. August 23rd. It seems like we're gonna have it drawing, so it looks like a little bit of a raffle type thing. So that's always something to enter in. So stay tuned. I'll be mentioning all that in the cook group and everything there. So this will be some decent profit. I love how these Crocs have been kind of reselling recently. All these great colorways. I think again they're going to continue to produce a variety of colorways of these Crocs, which I think again is a great collaboration. I'd love to see Crocs kind of step into the game a little bit of sneakers. So that's everything right there, and stay tuned for that little raffle restock. You will need some accounts there. And some of the final ones I will mention: Fro Skate Dunk dunk highs. These are decent. Again, you want to target bigger sizes, 11 plus in these if you were to resell them. These are not going to be a shoe that really resells that high, and the drop is coming very soon for them. Actually, if I show this, I believe it is actually the 24th. You can see they're on sneakers and apparently a raffle location there. I'm having to close out all these ads. Sneaker News is just killing me with the ads right here, but overall, this isn't one with the $130 retail, so retail's marked up a little bit, and shipping, all that. It is free returns with Nike, so that's one thing you can take into account. You won't have a risk right there. If you do buy it and it doesn't resell, then you can just return it, or wait a little bit, whatever you prefer. But yeah, just thought I'd mention that on the 24th. Stay tuned for these. Not really one that I would go for resale, but some slight resale if you go for bigger sizes, 11 plus, things like that. Just look at these sizes and determine what you would like to go for, really. That's what I would say. Look at this size chart, look at this range. Oh, I'll get it to focus. Look at this size chart, look at this range, and you guys determine what you would rather go for, smaller or bigger sizes. Just right here, this is the first skate dunk high. So let me know what you guys think, what you'd go for. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do today. I gotta mail some stuff out and things like that. I'm getting distracted. But aside from that, some of the final releases we have coming on, I think we have another restock for this penny colorway. Not penny colorway, but for the Nike Air Max penny, and this is the home colorway is what it is called. And I think we will be again seeing a release in some places for this again. I think sneakers is rumored on the 25th. But these will resell if you guys are curious. Definitely will. Even with the a little bit of higher retail at 170, definitely going to see some profit on these. So yeah, stay tuned on sneakers. 25th, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Going to be a draw style, so you'll have 10 minutes to enter, and then they'll choose winners. But I thought that was pretty awesome. So stay tuned, guys. We got a lot of releases coming this week, and here are the dunks. Of course, go for these. Go for these. These two dunks coming on the 24th, right? 24th. Stay tuned right here. Hopefully this will click through for me. Okay, no, it's doing a drop in the Nike app thing. I don't know why I clicked. Like, this is confusing. But yeah, these two ones definitely go for right here. Gonna click this out. But yeah, this one, it drops in sneakers too. Also this one, 24th. 10 a.m. Stay tuned. And there's one more colorway I'm missing right here. I mean, of course, you can see all the coming up dunk lows in like September. This one right here. This is one you will definitely want to go for as well. Harvest Moons, Rose Whispers will resell. So be sure you guys are there for those drops when it happens. And that's everything I need to say. The release is coming up. We got a lot of small little profitable resale drops this week. So be sure you guys follow Hype Labs down below. Follow me down below. Stay tuned. Subscribe and like down below. Make the like goal something like 300, let's say. If you could hit that, that'd be dope. If not, it's not the end of the world. I got to get here and get ready for these easy drops about to happen. You got to make sure I'm here helping people out and all that. But that's everything I need to mention. Again, go join down below if you want to. There will be a link to join, so stay tuned. A little temporary one for a few people if you guys want to get in there. And that's it. So I'm ending the screen recording. I'm Tristan. Let me know down below what you want to see in our cook group, what you're going for this week. I'd love to hear it. That's everything though. I'm Tristan, and catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Sticks made a fucking hit.